days later.
Good morning. I'm getting my hair done today. Good morning, y'all. It is Monday morning, 7:19 to be exact. And your girl is up for an early morning hair appointment, okay? I took my boho braids out last week. I did a little twist out, but y'all, the twist out is not twisting, okay? So my homegirl that always does my hair gave me a house call visit, but I gotta get there early because her baby be tripping, okay, if we not done before she wakes up. She wakes up at about like 12. She new baby. She's getting half up, half down. I got some I did like a collab with Beauty Queen Hair. I got 3 bundles of body wave. I believe it's an 18, a 20, and a 22. Hold on. And I'll show y'all how I look the texture later. Whew. Thank you. I don't know why my lips always feel like they ashy. I did just wake up though. So although I did wash my hair, it's like this curly braid out do. I need to wash it, and I got some PR in the mail by Kristin. And oh my gosh, like this is like the biggest bless me, thank you. Oh, like look at this. Super cute. Love the glass purple box. I didn't even pull it out of here. This is so cute. Like, look at that color. Microfiber towel. Nice little bag. You can makeup bag or a little clutch bag or product bag. You never know. It's really cute. I got some, the hell? Oh, what the helly? Okay, we got some strengthening shampoo, which your girl need. My hair about to be in a protective style, so we got some strengthening shampoo. Let's smell it. Smells good. Strengthening conditioner, Bio recovery leave-in treatment, repairs, strengthens, helps prevent breakage, lightweight moisture, heat protectant up to 450 for dry and damaged hair types, Bomb fortifying serum, and an overnight bomb revitalizing dry mask. So I'm about to be using this and this and this and this. I probably won't use this, or maybe I can use this. I'm gonna have to read more into this one. So yeah, your girl about to wash her hair. Then I gotta wake CJ up. He's still sleeping. Always watching. And yeah, once I get done washing it, I'm gonna use a Pattern of Beauty detangle comb. I love that comb to death. Good morning, babe. Good morning. Good morning. It's Monday morning. It's gonna be a good day. You have a fire video. What? What'd you say?
I said I love you. I hope you did great, but I'm trying to pause the video. It's gonna be a great morning, huh?
Got my shampoo and my conditioner, things I need, all the things. I have some other.
I washed my hair, didn't get to record that, so I have my beauty cream bundles. I also have some human hair
really
by
good
Ultra
too.
Yaki using some grass and lather control, and then this braid gel my friend recommended. I decided to go with a quick weave in the back because I don't decide to keep this hairstyle long, so we got some glue, and yeah, we're gonna experience it. And for the front, I wanted some braids, so I let my friend actually freestyle this part because I didn't really have a hairstyle in mind. So she's going in with the blow dryer. I had decided not to blow dry it, but she did it at the appointment. I was just trying not to be too late. And my girl was stitching these braids, okay? I'm very tender-headed. I don't even just know why I continue to get these hairstyles because they hurt. But your girl wants to keep the heat out of her hair, and the only way I know how is with some braids. It's put up. I can't do anything about it. And everything is braided. My girl was working really fast, and boom, we're done. The hair was installed, not all 3 packs. I really didn't need them because, listen, look at the full look. Like, it was so nice, and this was way before I even put any water into it, straight out of the pack. Morning, friends. It's Tuesday morning. Say good morning, CJ. Say good morning. You what? Get out your way. Ain't nobody in your way, little boy. Ain't nobody in your way. Yeah. So I got my hair done yesterday, guys, and I'm not feeling it. I love the braids, not gonna lie. I just hate that they hang down to the side like this. I was not about to have her redo it after doing my whole head, so I'm just gonna fix it today. We got a couple errands to run. CJ's starting school Monday, April the 14th, so I have to fill out his registration and enrollment paperwork. I also have a guest coming in today. It's Airbnb, so I have to go clean the Airbnb, wash the sheets and everything, and exchange out the dirty stuff for the clean stuff for the guest that comes in. They check in between 3 and 5. Then I'm gonna go to my grandma's house because I have a few orders that I have not shipped off. I need to ship them off. I need to look for some products, and then I need to fix my hair over there because y'all, I don't know why it's just giving me like a bald cap in the front. Like, I just feel like these two hairstyles don't go together, you know, like this. Like, I needed a full hairstyle. I don't know. So I'm trying to finesse these braids, not take them all the way out because my scalp is very sore. But yeah, that's the plan for today. Then later I have to do a glow makeup routine with Sheen. And I'm trying to be more active and have more fun in my day. Like, my last weekly vlog was kind of boring. It was my first time getting the hang of it though. But once CJ's in school, I have free time to do things that I like to do. And like, I have a son, so he can't do all the girly things that I want to do. So he'll be in school from 8 to 3:30 Monday to Friday. So y'all, I'm gonna have the littiest content, okay? Just be ready, be prepared. Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all when we get to the Airbnb. Oh, and I'm gonna pick my dad up. He works today at 4, but he misses CJ, so I'm gonna have him come over and have like fun time, play with CJ or whatever, while I try to clean up and do my hair. So CJ can be out the way. But yeah, okay. I hope everybody's having a happy Tuesday. Like, let me know what you guys got going on. Where y'all located and stuff. Like, come on, we've been friends for this long. I don't even know nothing about y'all for real. Like, y'all gotta tell me too. So yeah, oh, I hate this hair. I wore a bonnet all yesterday after I came from getting my hair done, and my boyfriend was like, let me see your hair. I'm like, no. So we gotta fix this because we gotta do some content, and I can't be looking like this. Like, and then it's my first quick weave ever, y'all. I got quick weave in the back because, as y'all know, I do a lot of hair content. That's how I started off, so I still gotta keep that in there, trickling. So yeah, we're gonna get this hairstyle together because I'm not about to do this. So I didn't record none of the content at the Airbnb, but then I got here to do my hair and I took a very important phone call, so I didn't record much. But here is the style. I love it. Like, that small difference made all the difference, okay? I just like took the ends out of each braid and pushed it to the back. I love it. I love this hairstyle. This hair is beautiful. It's so full. I'm going to also use it for like a ponytail or maybe a full look if I don't just decide to do the braids. But I love this hairstyle. It is giving so me, so natural. Like, you would never know this is not my hair, okay? Tell somebody else that it's not theirs, because this hair comes directly from my scalp. If you like, comment, and subscribe.